The I am is speaking in you as you. I will often say that the Lord stands for the law of right decree. What are you decreeing morning, noon, and night? What's coming out of your mouth, Creator? You shall have what you say. You are the only begotten of the Father. If you alone existed in the world, God would be occupying you. The Holy One of Israel. Israel, the man, the woman who walks, who talks, who lives as God. When you begin to understand these principles, when you begin walking, living out these principles, you live in your place of power.